I really love the idea of designing something that's obviously unique. This was a chance to do something that was three-dimensional, something that was very contemporary, because it's working with, you know, up-to-date technology, it's working with live feed, it's screen, it's digital, it's a large digital art piece. There's a few arts pieces around the world, one in Boston and Lax Airport, that were very inspirational. We work in digital and I wanted to make a statement and do something big and epic digitally. So I did my research, I looked around, obviously ADI work in this field, went to see them, and then that was that, you know, brilliant.
His concept was quite unique, certainly challenging in terms of what he was trying to achieve. In using multiple screens, lighting, it's certainly like nothing else that we've worked on before. And we worked with Andy and the Jaguar team for around about 9 months in the preparation to being on site to install it.
We arrived on site in Jaguar 8th of March, nice sunny day, and obviously we had 1 month of data and power installation to complete. Steel installation, which in itself was a tricky job. It started with 14 penetrations of the wall, all in a particular place that had to be exact so that they connected onto the steel inside the building in the right place. We then started with the screen installation. It wasn't just an LED screen, it was an odd-shaped LED screen that could be 4 screens, all independent, or 1 complete screen. Add to that 2,500 nodes that had to sit in exactly the right position on the wall, the same dimension apart, both horizontally and vertically. Once we started drilling, the integrity of the building was lost, so we had to fill that hole with a LED node at the same time. The magic of making the screens work as 4 was through the configuration of the screen and also the software that we used to drive the screen.
From a software side of things, ADI have got a solution for content management that can be completely operated through a web interface. This software is very intuitive, it's actually very easy to pick up without much training at all. But what we've also done is have levels of user accountability, so you might get certain people that all they can do is log in to have a look at the playlists, other people that could only upload content, administrators who can upload, schedule, delete. It's really about making a secure system that's actually very easy to manage but very safe, because ultimately this screen's on the side of a building in a prime location in England. It needs to have the right content on. So that's why we built this level of complexity in there, but still in a way that, from a user's point of view, it's actually very simple.
So the night before the launch was the first time that we'd managed to turn all elements of the installation all together.
Running up to the launch, the best moment for me was when I came down the night before.
This gave us a great deal of confidence in going into the day after, obviously the launch.
The open day, I was anxious. I knew everything was going to go well because we tested it and it was fine. You know, it started off with a few people buzzing around. I thought, well, there's not many people going to turn up. But then the whole factory came out and it was, yeah, it was quite humbling, really.
the clock counted down, and when it got to 0, there was a massive roar from the Jaguar Land Rover employees, and that gave us a great sense of pride.
You can go from a sketch on a piece of paper and you think, wow, there's a great idea. Is it going to actually stay on there? Is it going to actually be, are we going to be able to build it? All those things, all that knowledge that I didn't have, ADI did. It seemed to be every time we sort of hit a problem, ADI just went, yeah, we can solve that, we can do this.
One of the things that Jaguar recognised through our tender submission was that ADI have a fantastic reputation. That we're known for delivering very large-scale projects that really do push the boundaries. It was certainly very unique, and I don't think just any company could have delivered this. It was something that we took great pride working on, and I think not only Jaguar but also ourselves can be very proud in that.